Hello, I am Devashish. Welcome to my channel D-BIOLIFE. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy. So let's start for today's topic. So today the name of topic that is flagellation. Flagellation. Okay. Flagellation. Okay. Flagellation. Okay. So this topic is very much important for your board exam as well as your NEET exam. And this topic present under Kingdom MONERA. Okay. So Kingdom MONERA contain this topic. Okay. If we look into the detail of the flagellation of bacteria, so there are various types of flagellations are present. So these types as follows, like there are several types present. So first of all types. Okay. First of all types. Okay. So first type that is ATRICHOUS, ATRICHOUS, ATRICHOUS. Okay, ATRICHOUS. So this is a type of flagellation where bacteria do not contain or do not possess any kind of flagella. So here flagella absent. So in this type flagella absent. Okay, FLAGELLA, flagella absent. Okay. So if I am trying to show the diagram, so here this is a bacteria. So here flagella absent. So here this kind of diagram we have seen. Okay. Now this is known as the ATRICHOUS. So bacteria do not possess any kind of flagella. Okay. So this type is known as the ATRICHOUS. Okay. Then second type. Now come into the second type. This is known as the MONOTRICHOUS. TRICHOUS. So this is another type. So this type is known as the MONOTRICHOUS type. So here only a single flagellum present. Okay, single flagellum, FLAGELLUM. So this is a singular form. Okay, so flagellum, this is a singular form. So here single flagellum present, PREACNT. Okay, so here this kind of structure present. Okay, so single flagellum present. Okay, so this type is known as the MONOTRICHOUS. Then third one, that is also very important, that type, and this type is known as the AMPHITRICHOUS, AMPHITRICHOUS, AMPHITRICHOUS. So this is also very important. So AMPHITRICHOUS, so within this type flagella, FLAGELLA. So flagella at each of two ends. Okay, two ends, or we can say the poles. Okay, so within the AMPHITRICHOUS type, flagella at each of two ends or poles. Okay, so if I'm trying to show the diagram, then this kind of structure we have seen. Okay, so at each end single flagella at each end. Okay, so here in this end one flagellum and in this end a single flagellum. So there are two flagella present. Okay, at each of two ends. Then fourth type, that is also very important, and that is known as the LOPHOTRICHOUS. Okay, LOPHOTRICHOUS. So LOPHOTRICHOUS, this type, this is another type. So this type, here what type of flagellation we have seen? So here actually flagella, FLAGELLA, flagella present, actually here a group of flagella, we can say flagella present a group form or present in tuft form, TUFT, tuft form. Okay. Okay, at one end. So here this type of structure, so this type of structure we have seen in LOPHOTRICHOUS form. Okay, so flagella present in a group form or tuft form at one end. Okay, so this is a LOPHOTRICHOUS type. And the fifth one, and that is CEPHALOTRICHOUS, CEPHALOTRICHOUS. WBCHOUS. So cephalotrichous type. So cephalotrichous type, what type of scenario we will see? That is here flagella, flagella. So flagella basically group or tuft form, TUFT, tuft form. Okay, okay. Flagella at each of two ends or poles. Okay, so this type of scenario okay. So here within the two end a group of flagella present. Okay, so that's why group or tuft form of flagella present at each of two end or poles. So this type is known as the cephalotrichous type. And the last one or sixth, that is known as the peritrichous, PERITRICHOUS, peritrichous type. So in this type of flagellation, here actually flagella, flagella, flagella present all over the surface of bacteria, all over the surface of bacteria, BACTERIA, okay, of the bacteria. So here actually this type of scenario we have seen. So all over the surface, okay, flagella absent, flagella present, okay. So flagellation means presence or absence of flagella of the bacteria. Okay, so there are certain types present. So first type, that is ATRICHOUS. So here flagella completely absent within the bacteria. Then second type, that is known as the MONOTRICHOUS, where single flagellum present. Okay, and third one, this is known as the AMPHITRICHOUS. So here flagella present at each of two ends. So here diagram also present, this diagram. Then fourth one, that is known as the LOPHOTRICHOUS. So LOPHOTRICHOUS means one end contain a group of flagella. And fifth one, that is known as the CEPHALOTRICHOUS. So CEPHALOTRICHOUS means flagella, group of flagella, tuft of flagella present at each of two ends or two poles of bacteria. And last one, that is known as the PERITRICHOUS. So here bacteria contain overall surface contain flagella. So that's it. So this is very, very important topic. So and this information is too much, okay, and this information is enough for your exam purpose. So that's it. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you on the next video. Goodbye.